Now we will continue with the summary of galvanic cell. What do you need to know? Okay. So first of all, you need to know how to draw the cell diagram. Okay, for the cell diagram, usually students will left out the salt bridge. You must label the words salt bridge and also give one example, KCl, KNO3. Okay, another one is you must show the direction of the electron. Then label which one is anode, which one is cathode. Okay, and then next one, you must label the solution. Okay, here I just use Zn2 positive. If the question gives ZnSO4, then you write down ZnSO4. Then students also tend to forget to label the phase and also the concentration. Phase and concentration. Okay, and also don't forget, label the voltmeter. Okay, and also label the terminal. Is it positive or is it negative? Okay, from the cell diagram, okay, or from the question, you can also write down the observation. Okay, for anode, if let's say we are using active electrode, okay, the electrode will become thinner. Okay, why? As you can see here, from the anode, from the half cell equation, it will become ion. So it will be thinner. So another side will become thicker. Okay, and then of course, if you are using CuSO4 here, then the blue color solution of Cu2 plus in the CuSO4 will become darker. Okay, next one is to write the half cell equation. Students always forget to write either anode or cathode. Another one, students also left out the phase as usual. Okay, then another one, okay, from the overall cell equation, what you can get is, you know the product and also the reactant. Okay, then the oxidizing agent and reducing agent you take from the reactant. Okay, if the question asks what is the oxidizing agent, what is the reducing agent, take from the reactant. Okay, next, other than writing half cell equation, overall cell equation, the next one that you can write is cell notation. Okay, cell notation, remember what students always miss out is write the concentration or pressure for all the species. And then of course, another one would be the phase. Okay, then for calculation part, you need to determine is it at standard condition or is it at non-standard condition. If standard condition, then you must use standard cell potential. And then remember the sign positive or negative has its meaning, spontaneous or non-spontaneous. Okay, if it's at non-standard condition, you must use the Nernst equation and find out the number of mole of electron and then get the log from product over reactant. But in your solution, in your writing, your calculation, don't just write product over reactant. You have to be specific. Okay, so points to remember, cell diagram, salt bridge must give actual example, and then students usually don't know how to draw the standard hydrogen electrode. So practice on this, how to draw the standard hydrogen electrode which involve gas. Okay, another one is half cell equation as usual, never label anode or cathode, phase is left out, never balance the electron. Okay, cell notation, label phase, concentration, pressure must be given, okay, stated in the cell notation, and you must know what electrode are you using. Okay, then you must differentiate the terms. Is it E0 for standard reduction potential for half cell, or is it cell potential, E0 cell, or is it just E cell? Okay, and then you must also know the terms other than cell potential, there's EMF, cell voltage. Okay, Nernst equation. The students must first balance the overall cell equation. Okay, then again, as usual, don't write log product over reactant. And don't forget, gas, you must use pressure. Okay, although it just give you 1 atm. So 3 marks for Nernst equation. The first mark is for Nernst equation. The second mark is for substitution. The final will be unit and the sign, because you can predict is it spontaneous or non-spontaneous, even for standard cell potential. Okay, so that's all for the summary of galvanic cell.